In this video, I'll show you how to replace a Dyson dustbin seal, specifically for its full-size models like the V10, V11, and V15 Detect. If you've used your Dyson for an extended period, I'm sure you've experienced this issue. I've had experience with it since I had to replace the seals in all three models I mentioned earlier. I'm not sure why, but this is a weak link to a full-size Dyson stick vacuum. As this part ages, it cracks and comes off. Fortunately, replacement parts are abundant and cheap, and it only takes a minute to replace. Step 1 is to remove the dustbin by pushing on this lever. Once the dustbin is out, unfasten this bolt. Dyson uses a Torx screw, and if you don't have the proper size screwdriver, I suggest getting a replacement dustbin seal with a Torx X screwdriver included. Check the links below to see a list of options. Once you get the bolt out, gently pull the seal until it pops off. Remember to pull the area opposite where the bolt is, since it's the path of least resistance, to avoid cracking the dustbin. Get the new seal, install it into the dustbin by lining up these points, and push the opposite end until you hear a pop. Reattach the screw, then you're done. If this video has been helpful to you, smash that like button, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when I publish new videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.